Hi guys, good afternoon guys. Sorry kung hindi muna ako nakapag-upload ng videos because right now we are focused first to my brother's condition right now, guys, because he had a health problem. So hindi yun biro, guys, yung kanyang health problem now. It's a bit serious, or actually it's a serious problem for his health condition. So right now he is confined right now, one of the hospital here near in our town. It's been confined 3 days now, since September 4, 5, 6. So 3 days now, guys, na he is in the hospital. So we just focus first, guys, on him. So, but yeah, we still uploading videos soon. I'm here eating at the canteen. My husband calling me. Sorry husband, later I'll call you back. I'm doing my vlog. Ayun, guys. So on this situation, also my husband is also affected, because he is more also accompany me everywhere I go, that I gonna need to do stuff, everything like that. He just back and forth from house to hospital, bring me into the hospital, then take me at home. So pagod din siya, guys. He is also tired. So the good thing there is, at least my husband is really very patient for everything I do. He's really supportive, actually. Patient and supportive. Yun yung may pagmamalaki ko sa aking asawa. I'm lucky that I have him, because it's hard. Sorry, that's but mahirap kasi. Kung pwede ko lang sanang sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung problem ng health condition ng aking kapatid, but of course we just only 2 siblings. So it's hard. We don't have parents anymore. So we're just 2 of us. Yeah. Mahirap magkasakit, guys. It's hard. Financially, emotionally, halo-halo. But of course, you have to fight for it. Dasal lang, syempre. Sasabayan natin ng dasal, ng prayers. Pero minsan, hindi natin maiwasan mag-isip. Kasi ako, medyo ano ako eh, over, you know, it's overthinking, but I'm already think what is the possible happen. You know what I mean? Pero nilalakasan ko yung loob ko. May awa ang Diyos. Basta hoping lang na kakayanin ng kapatid ko katawan niya sa mga bagay na mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa buhay namin. Hoping just pray lang. So, ayun guys, hindi ako nakakapag-upload pa ng videos. So, give me time guys, give me time. Yun lang yung update sa ngayon sa aming channel. So, ilang araw na wala akong video o wala kaming video. Since the last video that I was uploaded, I think that's our wedding anniversary when we went to Ligaraw. And after that, kasi yun na, nagkanaon na ng problem sa aking kapatid. So, we need to bring him to the hospital. That's why now he is confined. Yun lang yung may update ko sa inyo ngayon. So right now, Art is in the house, have some rest. Then later, he will be here by afternoon para naman hindi siya kawawa, guys. Kasi even that's 30 minutes ride, but when back and forth, you can consume 1 hour ride. So, nadadamay siya sa sa kapaguran ko, guys. My husband. But still, he's supportive naman, guys. And patient sa mga nangyayari sa mundo. Sa mundo ng aming buhay. Kami na lang naman. Buti na lang. Luckily also that my cousins also my cousins who's living in Ballesteros, they're also supportive and helping naman. So thanks din dahil kahit pa paano they can help, even as a simple or a small thing. May maaasahan kami na tatakbuhan o ihingan ng tulong pag kailangan. Sorry guys, pero emotional kasi ako masyado. Emotional ako masyado. I'm easily cry, guys. Sorry. Actually, my brother has diabetic. He is a diabetic, actually, my brother. It's in our genes, guys. That my family, my mother's side was a diabetic. But thanks also because I don't have problem on that one. I don't have diabetic and I'm not high blood. But my brother got that problem, that diabetic. Sometimes I cannot say that he is also high blood because his temperature, his blood pressure normally, mostly is normal. There's a time only that he had a high range, but mostly it's normal. Pero kailangan kayanin. Still, life's go on. So, life goes on. Hindi mawalan ng pag-asa, guys. Just pray lang sa mga those who are people out there also having problems, health condition problem like that. Don't lose hope, guys. Always pray wherever it is or whatever it was, whatever it is. Kain tayo, guys, pala. Ulam ko daing na bangus, guys. Daing na bangus. Yun yung ulam ko, guys. Yun lang yung video ngayon. So I just need you to update, guys, to give you update about what's happening right now because we don't have videos uploaded for how many days na. So yun yung nangyari, guys. Hindi ko pa maasikaso mag-take ng video daily because naging busy ako sa mga nakalipas na araw. Just because my brothers. Okay, guys. So that's for today. But then again, peace, love, and happiness, guys. And please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, guys. See you on the next one. Bye. Bye, guys. See you again. Bye.